Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 89, Bird. So this is another lateral thinking puzzle, and thank you so much for all the beautiful feedback you've given me. I know you've enjoyed these puzzles, and that's why I keep uploading them. Let's see how you go with this one. What bird is always sad? A clue will be given on the next slide. So in about 2 minutes' time, I will give you the clue. In the meantime, try and solve it yourself, because it's very satisfying if you do. And if you have any trouble, I'll give you the clue in about 2 minutes. Okay, as promised, here is your clue. I wonder how you went. Let's have a look at this clue. So the quiz was, what bird is always sad? And the clue is colour. The answer is on the next slide. So in about 1 minute's time, I will reveal the answer. So good luck with it. That clue just might help you, if you haven't already got it. Okay, as promised, here is the answer on the next slide. I wonder how you went. What bird is always sad? The clue was colour, and the answer is bluebird. That's interesting, isn't it? Once you see it, it's pretty obvious, but they're not that easy, these puzzles. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide, and we'll go there right now.